Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to find out what type of animal suits your vibe the most based on how you act and feel. Rules? Just pick the option you like and count the points given with it. Ready? Let's get started now. Pick a time of day when you feel most alive. How do you enter a room full of strangers? Your favorite snack energy is? What is your natural walking pace? If someone tricks you, pick an aura for your room. Pick a main character superpower. Your weekend is spent. How do you handle a bad vibe in the room? If you were a weather, who would you be? What makes you the most angry? Your social media feed is mostly? If you were a color, you would be? How do you show love? Your soulmate calls you at 3 a.m. You add up all your points. Don't cheat because this is about to expose who you really are. And that was your results, guys. Comment down your result and share it with your friends. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.